Okay, so hi, my name is Johnny. I'm currently in New York to be treated for Chiari Malformation type 1. A lot of people don't know, but a lot of people actually do have Chiari Malformation, but only in some. There are specific symptoms that come up. As for me, my most common symptoms are really bad headaches at the back of my head. I get a lot of dizziness when I'm changing postures, so that's standing up or sitting down. I get a lot of blurred vision. Those are my most common symptoms, and they affect me day to day, whether I'm getting into a car or getting out of bed. So this video really is just for anyone that has any questions about it, because at first I had a lot of questions, and I didn't really know what it was until I had to get it checked for the very first time last year. But yeah, so I've been dealing with it for a while. I've been doing a lot of research with my family on the type of neurosurgeons to see who's the best, because I've never had surgery. I've never had surgery in my life, really. So this video is also for anyone that's a bit anxious or just has any questions about it, because I am scheduled for a meeting next week with Dr. Greenfield. If anyone wants to know about him, he's based in New York. He's ranked one of the best in the world for neurosurgery and Chiari Malformation in general. He has charities dedicated towards Chiari Malformations in children and in young adults like me. I'm 23. But yeah. So I'm meeting with him next week to discuss the surgery, just ask the questions in general, I'm a very sporty person, so if anyone's out there like me that is very active and exercises a lot with especially weightlifting, might not look like it, but with weightlifting and just with running or playing sports, I play a lot of football or soccer. I have a lot of questions about that. I really don't want anything to stop me from playing these sports or doing anything. So these are questions I'm going to ask him. But anyways, this video is for anyone with any questions. If they need any recommendations on who to see, Dr. Greenfield and his team have been great so far. A bit of history with me. I don't know if anyone's gone through this either, but I've actually been doing blood patches over the course of the year. I've only done 2, but blood patches are basically to check for any leaks in your spine, in your jaw, which can cause similar symptoms as Chiari Malformation, so it can be mixed up sometimes. And I've done the blood patches, and I got some relief with the first blood patch. For a few weeks, I was, okay. Not a lot of headaches, there was a difference for sure. But then it all came back. And a few months later, now I'm here in New York. They gave me another epidural blood patch because they were a bit confused. If you have Chiari Malformation and you get relief from a blood patch, which usually isn't given to someone with Chiari Malformation, they're a bit confused as to why my symptoms were relieved a bit. So they gave me another one. It's been a couple of weeks since then, and I still have headaches and symptoms. So all the radiologists have told me, it is definitely going to be Chiari, which means surgery if you want to get this fixed permanently. So yeah, if anyone has any questions about blood patches as well, or epidural blood patches and how that affects with the Chiari and the symptoms, or the process of doing all that, then comment, let me know. I've never done this before, but yeah. So like I said, I'm scheduled to do this next week, for a meeting next week, and then soon after I'll be doing the surgery. So if I put this video up and anyone wants to know about it, anyone wants to know what the process of surgery is like, and what the recovery might look like, or the process of the surgery itself, because I've never been, for example, for this surgery, you get put to sleep. Something as simple as that, I've never been put to sleep, so I'm a bit, not worried, but, how, I just have questions about it all. And these are things I'm going to experience. So if anyone has questions about Chiari Malformation, or the surgery that it takes, the decompression surgery that it's going to take. Let me know. I'll be happy to make a video answering questions before the surgery and after, even the recovery process, just so people get to see what it's like and get an idea. Because there's some content out there that provides, but I've not seen a whole lot of stuff that answers really specific questions that I have. So yeah, I'd be happy to answer anyone's questions. But yeah, I'm in New York. I'm going to be doing this meeting next week, and if anyone wants to know what it's like, what anything's like, ask questions, let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you for listening. But cheers. I'll see you next time.